Take a slow, steady breath in and release it gently. Again, inhale calmly and exhale fully. Allow your body to relax. Allow your breath to settle. Allow your awareness to become focused and composed. Business excellence is not rushed. It is built through clarity, consistency, and sound leadership. In a moment, I will count down from 10 to 1. With each number, you will enter a calm, high-functioning state where focus sharpens, standards rise, and excellence becomes embodied. Let's begin. 10. Breathing slows. 9. The body relaxes. 8. Tension releases. 7. Thoughts organize. 6. Awareness turns inward. 5. Halfway now, calm and alert. 4. The body feels supported. 3. Focus strengthens. 2. Confidence stabilizes. 1. You enter composed, professional clarity. In this focused state, bring awareness to your role, your work, your enterprise. You see clearly what you are building and why it matters. Purpose sharpens priorities. Clarity guides decisions. Repeat inwardly. I am clear about my purpose. My work has direction. Clarity strengthens performance. Now sense your standards rising. Not perfectionism, but excellence. You care about quality. You value consistency. You follow through. High standards create trust. So repeat softly. I hold myself to high standards. Quality matters to me. Excellence is my norm. Now imagine yourself executing calmly, tasks completed with attention, decisions made deliberately, time used wisely. You do fewer things better. Focus replaces distraction. Now repeat inwardly. I execute with focus and discipline. My actions are intentional. Results follow clarity. Now feel calm leadership presence form. Calm, grounded, respectful. Others sense confidence without force. Authority without arrogance. Leadership begins with self-mastery. Repeat slowly. I lead with calm confidence. My presence builds trust. I act with integrity. Now imagine encountering change. You remain steady. You learn quickly. You adjust without losing direction. Excellence evolves through learning. So repeat gently. I adapt intelligently. I learn from experience. Growth strengthens excellence. Now feel alignment with values. Decisions reflect integrity. Success is earned and sustainable. You build something that lasts because it is built correctly. Repeat inwardly. I succeed ethically. Integrity supports growth. Long-term value matters. Allow these truths to settle deeply. Excellence is built through clarity, discipline, and integrity. I lead and execute at high standards. My work reflects professionalism and purpose. These beliefs become familiar, grounded, and reliable. In a moment, I will count from 1 to 10. With each number, you will return gently, focused, confident, and prepared. 1. Awareness begins to rise. 2. Breath deepens. 3. Gentle energy returns. 4. The body feels present. 5. Balanced and alert. 6. Awareness expands outward. 7. You feel composed and capable. 8. Eyes feel lighter. 9. Take a deep breath in and out. 10. Eyes open, fully awake, clear, disciplined, carrying business excellence into your work.